Right? Thinking of Krishna. This is our process of spiritual life. Man mana bhava. Offer your mind to Krishna. How? Therefore we do Gayatri mantras. Therefore we chant Harinam. Just to remember Krishna. And purify our mind by chanting Krishna's names. So morning, evening. You have time? Morning time, evening time. Save some time of your day just for Krishna. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Mahaprabhu gave this example. Sometimes you're so busy you have no time, but everyone has 5-10 minutes. Right? We see in America, TM became very popular. Why? They teach you 15 minutes morning and afternoon. 30 minutes a day. That's what TM teaches. 30 minutes a day, carve out time for your meditation, for yourself, self-development. So we say, what is our self-development? Development of our relationship with Krishna. So 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, 10 minutes midday if you can. You sit and you meditate, Om, Kling, and you do your mantras. And you just meditate on Krishna and offer flower to Krishna with chandan, with sandal paste. Oh Krishna, I made this for you. In your heart, in your mind, what you do in your heart and your mind, it's the same benefit of doing it physically in this age. Beautiful, right? So you can sit and you can meditate on Krishna. Oh, I'm offering you this beautiful flower at your feet. Which Krishna? You should develop some relationship with a very beautiful form of Krishna. Maybe a painting, maybe a Didi. Gradually, through meditating like this can manifest in a more realized fashion. But you shouldn't speculate. Didi is not speculation. Any bona fide painting like Seva Kunj is not speculation. You may sit and think, oh, and then Krishna's dancing with me, and then Krishna's kissing me, and this, that. This becomes speculation. No, I'm meditating on Shri Vigraha, I'm meditating on painting, or meditating on some form of Krishna. Therefore the Goswamis established the Didis. And through this, gradually you can achieve true bhajan, and you can meditate on Krishna Lila. But first, you should follow everything nicely. Right? Like you have some beloved, you have their picture in your wallet, your husband, your wife. Oh, so beautiful. So find some picture of Krishna you fall in love with. Right? Oh, my wallet. Who is in my wallet? My lover. Who is that? Krishna. Some beautiful picture of Krishna. And oh, Krishna, I'm offering these flowers at your lotus feet. Oh, Krishna, I'm bathing your feet and drying them with a soft cloth. Oh, Krishna. And then, oh, Krishna, I made some preparation for you, some sweets, some laddu, some samosa. You just think in your mind, oh, Krishna, I'm making you samosa. And here you go, and you feed Krishna. Oh, Krishna, here. How do you give Krishna? Krishna is not alone. Oh, Srimati Radhika, here, you please offer. How do you give to Srimati Radhika? You can't give her directly. Oh, Guru Maharaj, here you go, please. I made the samosa. You made it? No, you meditate. I'm making with Guru and Vaishnavas together. Together, we're making samosa, kachori, laddu, rasgulla, kheer, sweet rice. Oh, 5, 6, nice, 10 items. Here, Krishna. How long does it take? If you make it with your hands, your body, you have to go to the store, you have to go shopping. It takes hours. You should also do this. Big festivals and every day. Anything you cook, anything you eat, first cook for Krishna. Right? Today we picked so many nice flowers. Not for us, for Krishna.